Okay. Well, this seems to be working pretty well. The fact that whenever I can't breathe or there's tension, you can see your attempt to resolve not only the tension, but it's like you're trying to move somewhere, move to somewhere. You're trying to find the answer, the resolution to whatever problem you think is happening. But it's almost like it's almost like thinking about reality is this kind of questioning energy, there's a seeking something in it, but it all comes from your definition of there's something which isn't. And it can come in many forms. I noticed lately the one that was, there's something I need to know which I don't know. Like, I don't know and I need to know. And you get into this obsessive state almost of trying to find the answer to which you've defined that you don't know. But the tension, and then you're trying to resolve the tension. It's like the I need to know is your attempt to resolve the tension from the belief in I don't know. And that's fine. Like, there are, infinite things we don't know, but when you ask the question initially, it's answered simultaneously, and you become the new idea simultaneously. And the tension, we've misplaced or we've misunderstood that tension for proof that we don't know, when in fact it's proof of the opposite. It's proof that we do know. It's proof that we just realized a new known. But we continue to, because we think that that's proof that we don't know, we continue to try and resolve and find the answer. But through our definition of not knowing, like we don't know, I don't know, I need to know. I don't know, I feel this tension, therefore I need to know. I need to find the answer. We're just continuing the polarization from our knowing. We're opposing our knowing. And there's this extent of division, the extent of polarization is evidenced by the negative emotion. It's proving that you know. It's the exact opposite. So when you can understand, okay, if I feel tension, it's actually proof that I know, or proof that it's already done. You stop trying to solve what you think hasn't been solved, and you just let go, and the tension lifts off, and you're back to oneness, being knowing. Like you might not physically and be able to conceptualize the knowing, but the relief into, like, you actually start to feel knowing. You might not know the details, but the knowing itself is proof of being oneness. And I mean, that has to be enough for you. And if you can, like, if you just know what that means, the seeking stops. And it could be a week, but it doesn't matter. The fact that you know, it will appear as a physical manifestation. And it will be so easy. The action will just happen from you. You want to, like, you're not seeking to do. And I know this because It's taken me years of practice. We've just been so ingrained to resolve and make things right and defend against being wrong. And when we feel that inner tension, we try to right that what we think is wrong, but it's actually proof of the opposite. It's proof of being not right, but being whole. You're just momentarily opposing and believing in a negative, like you're negating who you are, and that emotion is proof of it.